Okay, hello. Good evening, Sis Fairuz and Sis Nadifa.
Good evening, Susanna.
Okay, how is it going today?
I'm good. How about you?
Okay, I'm good, guys. Thank you so much for asking. Alright. Sis Nadifa lagi di mana kah? Kayak lagi rame banget, Sis Nadifa. Kayak lagi banyak orang. Oh, okay. Alright. Nggak apa, tapi masih kedengeran kok, Sis. Aman. Okay, so for today, untuk hari ini guys, we would like to talk about this. Kita akan ngomongin tentang ini dia topiknya. We talk about mindfulness. Have you ever heard about mindfulness? Sis Virus pernah dengar nggak mindfulness?
What is mindfulness?
Mindfulness itu kayak be present, kayak kita menikmati waktu yang sekarang gitu, nggak mikirin masa lalu, nggak mikirin masa depan. It's called mindfulness.
Hmm,
Iya, pernah dengar mungkin di sosmed gitu, dari IG, dari TikTok. Have you ever heard about this?
uh, no, it's my first time.
Oh, this is your first time. What about Sis Nadifa? Kalau Sis Nadifa gimana? Have you ever heard about mindfulness? Pernah dengar tentang mindfulness, Sis Nadifa? Iya, Sis. Suaranya agak
I
putus-putus ya.
never heard.
Oh, you never
Yeah,
heard about
I
this.
ne yeah.
I see, I see. Ya, itu tadi ya. Mindfulness itu actually definisinya panjang, tapi intinya we enjoy the present time without no worries about what happened in the future or regretting about the past. Atau kita tuh menikmati yang ada sekarang gitu tanpa mikirin kayak besok gimana ya atau ke depannya gimana ya. Dan kita juga tanpa mikirin menyesali apa yang udah lewat gitu. Ya udah nikmatin aja yang ada sekarang. That's called mindfulness. Itu yang namanya mindfulness. And talking about mindfulness, I want to ask about Sis Virus. Sis
Yes.
Virus, have you ever tried like self-care activity, like something that makes you relax?
Something that makes me relax.
Mm-hmm. What is something that usually makes you relax when you feel stressed?
I think listening to music,
Mm-hmm.
sleeping.
Sleeping. Oh yeah, that's also helps us to release the stress. What kind of music do you usually listen to, Sis Virus?
I usually listen to um, uh, indie genre.
Oh, indie genre. Do you have like favorite indie band or song?
Uh, Daniel Caesar artist.
Oh, Daniel Caesar. What is the song title?
The song title, maybe like Always
Oh,
Superpowers.
mm-hmm. I see, I see. Is it more about calm music or full of joy? Atau yang kayak rame-rame gitu?
Calm sih.
Calm.
Yeah.
I see, I see. Okay. And have you ever tried digital detox, this virus? Like you do not open your phone maybe 1 day or 2 days?
Uh, nggak pernah kayaknya.
Gak pernah. So you always open your phone every day. I see, I see. Do you want to try it?
Actually, no, I can't live without my phone.
You can leave it on your phone. Like we depend so much on our phone, right?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. What is your favorite app in your phone?
My favorite app, TikTok, Pinterest, Spotify.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's the app that you use often. Yang paling sering sis ya.
Yes.
I see, I see. Okay, thank you, Sis Virus.
You're welcome, Sis Hannah.
Alright, what about Sis Nadifa? Kalau Sis Nadifa gimana? How do you usually relax when you feel stressed?
Eh, apa ya, sis?
Apa ya?
Hmm, sometimes kayak diem aja gitu, sis.
Diam aja, bengong ya sis ya.
Iya.
Okay, do you know how to say bengong in English? Tahu nggak bahasa Inggrisnya bengong?
Oh, nggak tahu tuh, sis.
We call it daydreaming.
Apa tuh?
Ya, daydreaming itu.
Daydreaming.
Yeah, that's right. Daydreaming. Itu istilah untuk orang yang bengong, nggak mikirin apa-apa. So you like daydreaming? Okay,
Yeah.
daydreaming. I see. Is there any activity that you do when you feel stressed apart for daydreaming?
Read a book, sis.
Read a book. Oh, you
Yeah.
read a book a lot. How many books do you read in a month?
I think not much, just 1 until 3 books.
1 until 3 books in a month.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it means you always buy a new book every month.
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes.
If I go to a bookstore, yeah.
Bookstore. Okay. So you always buy book directly, go to the bookstore.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. What about ini, sis? Your favorite, do you have favorite application in your phone
Nothing.
that you
I
always
don't
open?
have. Something. Yeah. WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay, that's one that you always open.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever tried to note opening your phone in a day? Pernah nggak cobain? Nggak pakai HP dulu deh.
Never. But when I was in junior school, I have apa ya, like LDKS pelatihan siswa gitu, and I can bring my handphone.
How do you feel at the moment when you cannot open your phone?
Yeah.
How do you feel? Gimana
Yeah.
rasanya?
Usually.
Apa tuh?
Usually biasa aja.
Oh, biasa aja. Oke. Usually. Kalau usually itu biasanya, sis.
Oh ya.
Kalau kalau misalnya kayak mau bilang biasa aja, you can say I feel nothing. Aku nggak ngerasain apa-apa. Bisa bilang kayak gitu. I feel nothing.
Yeah, I feel
Alright.
nothing.
You feel nothing. Okay, thank you, Sis Nadifa. Oh, and we have Sis Uli today. Hello, Sis Uli. How are you?
Halo, Sis Ana. I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay. Sis Uli, today we talk about mindfulness. Have you ever heard about mindfulness? Sis Uli pernah nggak dengar mindfulness?
Mindfulness. Apa ya
Mhm.
itu? Ada.
Mind Mindfulness itu singkatnya kayak when someone only think about present time, kayak ketika seseorang cuma fokus ke hari ini gitu, saat sekarang. Jadi dia nggak mikirin masa depan, nggak menyesali masa lalu, ya udah enjoy aja yang ada sekarang kayak gitu. That's called mindfulness. Itu namanya mindfulness.
Menikmati hari begitu ya.
Iya, betul betul menikmati hari. Gitu.
Oke.
Tapi baru dengar ya sis ya istilah mindfulness ya.
Ya. Mm-mm.
Yeah, actually, like lately, it's happening. It's popular on social media. Sebenarnya itu akhir-akhir ini agak populer sih di social media istilah itu in our busy day. Kalau Sis Uli, when you feel stress, kalau Sis Uli lagi ngerasa stress, what activity that you do to feel calm?
If I get stressed, I go to the beach, or if I don't have time to the beach, maybe just go to shopping at the mall, buy everything what I want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So shopping is something that makes us happy, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Is your house close to the mall, Sis Uli?
Sorry?
Is your house close to the mall? Rumahnya Sis Uli dekat sama mall?
Oh, here. Oh, maybe we need 10 minutes from the house to the mall
Oh,
by
10 minutes.
cycle or
Mm,
maybe by car.
mm-mm. Oh, okay. Only 10 minutes. That's why you visit mall often. Makanya
No,
sering ke oh,
sometimes
sometimes
when stressed.
when stressed. Okay, what about beach, sis? Is your house near the beach?
Yes.
Hmm.
Our house near the beach, but maybe like need 15 minutes or 20 minutes, yeah, I think, yeah.
Hmm.
20
I
minutes.
see, I see. Oh my God, that's good. So that's why when you feel stressed, you went to the beach, you go to the beach.
Uh,
What is the name of the beach, sis Uli? The nearest one, yang paling dekat.
Oesapa Beach or
Oisapa?
Oesapa, the name of beach, Oesapa and La Siana Beach.
Mhm.
Because the beach, Oesapa Beach is the same place
Mm-mm.
with the traditional market.
Oh, I
Yes,
see.
because the
Is
traditional market apa namanya ya, berdekatan ya, di pinggir pantai itu sa.
oh, I see, I see. So in the same location.
Yeah, the same location.
Same location. Okay, okay.
But the traditional market just in the morning
Mhm.
after misalnya sudah jam 12 sudah tidak ada lagi pasar.
Okay. Yeah, usually it's only in the morning for uh the traditional market. Is
Yes.
there beautiful view? Pemandangannya beautiful, Sis
Yes.
Uli? Yes,
Beautiful view.
beautiful view.
Yes.
What do you usually do at the beach? Biasanya kalau di beach ngapain, Sis Uli?
Just sit down
Mm-mm.
and just look at the beach, look at the sea, and maybe just play with my children, and yeah, just play,
I see,
relax.
I see. So
Yeah.
it's the white sand beach, pantai yang pasir putih.
No, but sun beach we have to around perjalanan nih 2 jam baru dapat pasir putih tuh ya.
I see, I see. Okay,
Need
but it's still
hour.
beautiful. Need 2 hours
Yes.
trip.
2 hours
Mm,
trip.
I see, it's still close. All right. Sis Uli, have you ever tried to not open your smartphone in a day? Pernah nggak, sis? Kayak buka HP in a day?
Yes, of course.
Oh, really? Can you do it? Bisa melakukan itu?
Sorry, maksudnya apa? Aplikasi dalam HP?
No, I mean like you do not open your phone at all in a day.
Oh, I think I cannot. Because my work at the phone and we need read email. Sometimes we have to open the phone.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, so you never try it.
Yeah.
Okay. What about the most useful application in your handphone?
I think I use WhatsApp
Mhm.
and TikTok, sometimes Facebook.
Mhm.
Yeah, just that. Or maybe
Okay.
Tokopedia or buy something.
Mhm. Okay. So it's more about social media and also marketplace. Yeah, you use it a lot.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Sis Uli.
Okay,
Okay. Everyone, to know about our topic today about mindfulness, we have a some paragraph to read so that you can understand, you can know about what is mindfulness. Biar teman-teman ada gambaran tentang mindfulness itu apa sih gitu. Kita baca dulu paragrafnya ya, sambil mungkin dipahami sedikit-sedikit. For the first paragraph, untuk paragraf pertama, let's read. Kita baca sama si Virus dulu. Let's go, si Virus.
Alright. Have you ever driven somewhere and realized when you arrived that you couldn't really remember anything about the journey? Or have you ever eaten a whole packet of big biscuits when you were planning to only have one? Or have you stayed up much later than you planned? Or even all night watching just one more episode of a TV series? All of these are examples of mindfulness. When we live this way, we are not fully awake and not fully living our lives.
Okay, thank you, Sis Virus.
You're welcome, sis.
All right, so this paragraph told us about maybe you have ever experienced when you drive on somewhere and realize when you arrive that you couldn't really remember about the journey. Kayak pernah nggak sih teman-teman nyetir gitu ya kemana, terus tiba-tiba udah sampai aja, kita tuh nggak inget tuh di jalan ada apa aja, kita ngelewatin apa aja, kayak tahu-tahu nyampe aja. Atau mungkin pernah makan biskuit, tadinya mau makan satu deh, loh kok udah tahu-tahu udah habis gitu. Tapi kita tuh nggak yang benar-benar menikmati biskuit itu. Tiba-tiba udah habis aja. Or about that kind of thing, something, kadang kita melakukan sesuatu unconsciousness. Nah, itu namanya mindlessness. Lawan kata dari mindfulness. Ya, kita melakukan sesuatu but not fully awake. Tapi nggak benar-benar sadar bahwa kita tuh lagi melakukan hal itu. Itu. And the next paragraph, what exactly is mindfulness? I want to ask Sis Nadifa. Can you please read this, Sis Nadifa?
What exactly is mindfulness? When we are mindful, we are more conscious of our thoughts, our action, and what is happening around us. We might notice a beautiful sunset or listen carefully to what a friend is saying, rather than planning what we are going to say next. We are also more aware of our own feelings and our thoughts. John Kabat-Zinn, who has done a lot to make mindfulness popular, says mindfulness is paying attention on purpose in the present moment and without judging. Next.
Yeah,
Uh,
all of them.
okay. So we are consciously deciding what to pay attention to. We are not worrying about the past or planning for the future, and we are not trying to control or stop our thoughts or feelings till we are just noticing them.
Okay, thank you, Sis Nadifa. All right, this is the definition of mindfulness. Apa John Kabat-Zinn that paying attention on purpose in the present moment. Jadi memperhatikan secara sengaja present moment, momen saat ini and without judging, tanpa memberikan penghakiman. Gitu. So we are consciously deciding what to pay attention. Kita secara sadar memutuskan kita tuh mau pay attention ke hal apa. We are not worrying about the past, kita tidak mengkhawatirkan tentang masa lalu, planning for the future, ataupun kita juga enggak merencanakan masa depan, apa yang akan dikatakan, apa yang akan dilakukan. We are not trying to control or stop our thought. Kita enggak mencoba untuk mengontrol atau menghentikan pikiran kita atau perasaan kita. We are just noticing them. Kita hanya notice bahwa perasaan atau pikiran itu ada gitu. So be present, enjoying the moment. That's what's called mindfulness. For the next paragraph, the last one, ini about why is mindfulness so popular now? Please read by Sis Uli. Sis Uli, let's go.
Why is mindfulness so popular now? For most people, life is getting busier and busier. Technology means that we always have something to do, and there isn't much opportunity to just be. People are often doing 2 or 3 things at the same time, texting while watching TV or even looking at their phone while walking along the pavement. People are working longer hours and bringing work home. All this can make us stress, and mindfulness can be a way of reducing this stress.
Okay, thank you, Sis Uli.
Sama Susana.
Alright. So, this one, kenapa sih mindfulness more popular, jadi makin populer sekarang? Because people life is getting busier and busier. Karena kehidupan sekarang tuh kayaknya sibuk banget. Itu orang-orang tuh to do 2 or 3 things at the same time. Orang-orang tuh sering banget untuk melakukan 2 atau 3 hal di satu waktu yang sama. Misalnya kayak kita chatting sambil nonton TV, atau mungkin looking at their phone while walking. Kita lagi jalan tapi kita perhatiannya ke handphone. People are working longer hour and bringing work home. Kayak jam kerja tuh panjang, overtime, kadang dibawa ke rumah, and all of this can make us stress. Nah, fenomena-fenomena ini bisa bikin jadi penyebab orang-orang menjadi stres. And mindfulness tadi be present, enjoying the moment, itu can be a way of reducing this stress. Bisa jadi salah satu cara untuk mengurangi rasa stres itu sendiri. After this, setelah ini, Brian says, as usual, I want to send you to the breakout room so that you can discuss more about this topic with your partner. Wait a minute. I will only make one breakout room, and you can go there right now. Let's go. Sis Nadifa belum bisa join kah, Sis? Ke breakout room? Mhm. Okay. Where is Sis Nadifa? Mana Sis Nadifa?
Tadi lagi
Still, still masih tertinggal kah di breakout room kayaknya ya? Still on the way. I see. Okay, alright. Let's close this class. Tomorrow will be our last meeting ya. Besok akan jadi meeting terakhir. And thank you so much, Sis Nadifa, Sis Virus, and Sis Uli for coming today. Don't forget to come again tomorrow. So see you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank
This is
you.
Shana.
Bye-bye.
Good evening.
Good evening.